Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get more spirit in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and we're opening up our character screen here to see that our character currently has 136 spirit. So, how do we get spirit? Well, we get spirit through accomplishing certain tasks in the game, like beating certain bosses. And there are ways that you can increase your spirit permanently that way. Other way to do that is through certain items that you have on hand. So in this case, if we look at my Scepter of Excitement here, you can see that it has 36% increased spirit. Now, there are other items that might have spirit as well, and this is just a matter of going through the game and finding the right items that are going to increase spirit. And once you find those, sometimes it's going to be in the form of rings, sometimes it's going to be in the form of gear, and other times, if you're defeating certain bosses, then you will permanently increase your spirit through that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.